Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about how to graph coordinates. So when we're first learning how to plot these, a lot of people tend to get them confused as to which one you do first and how do you know which way it's supposed to move. So first of all, let's talk about what are coordinates. So coordinates are basically known as this x comma y combination, and it's known as a point on a graph. So first of all, what does x and what does y do? Always go in alphabetical order, so X, then Y. So X is in charge of going left and right. Let's write that down. X goes left or right, depending on what the number will be. And Y basically goes up or down. So in this scenario, if X was positive, we would be going right. And if X was negative, we would be going left. Similarly, if Y was going to be a positive number, then we go up, and if Y is a negative number, then we go down. Just a reminder that left and right is known as horizontal. If we go up and down, then that is known as vertical. So just remember, always go left or right first, then up or down. The starting position will always be from the origin, known as the center of the graph, located at 0, 0. So just a reminder, always start at the origin, which is located at 0, 0. All right, so let's take a look at some examples here. So let's say we wanted to graph 2, 5. All right, so we're going to draw this one in blue. So again, if they say to plot or to graph, it means the same thing. So first of all, 2, 5. So first of all, we start at 0, 0, which is always the center of the graph. And then we take a look at 2. Remember, 2 is the x coordinate, so that tells us to go 2 to the right. And the 5 tells us to go 5 up. So first of all, we're going to go 2 to the right from the center. So 1, 2. And then we're going to go 5 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we place the point. So now we can place our point in blue here. And we can then label it 2, 5. For the next point, we're going to draw this in red. So see here, we have -6. So negative for x means we go left. So this means 6 to the left. And then 3, of course, being positive, this tells us to go 3 up. So again, we start from the center, which is at 0, 0, and then we go 6 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we go 3 up. 1, 2, 3. And then we draw a big point there. And then we can label that -6, 3. Last one we're going to do in purple. So here we have -4. So remember, do the x one first. So -4 means we go 4 to the left. And -7 for the y tells us we go 7 down. So first of all, we're going to go 4 to the left from the center of the graph, located at 0, 0. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put a point there. Then we can erase our movement lines if we need to. And then we'll just label that one -4, -7. So I hope today's quick lesson helped you figure out how do we draw coordinates and how do we put them in their right place. If you found this useful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support us and to support yourself in improving your mathematics skills. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.